Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Dear children of class 7th CBSE, myself Rashmi, your science teacher, and today we will study the part 5 of chapter number 10, Respiration in Organisms. In this part of the chapter, we will study about what do we breathe out, activity showing presence of moisture in exhaled air, activity showing presence of carbon dioxide in exhaled air, and also do the plants also respire and the mechanism of respiration in plants. What do we breathe out? The air we inhale or exhale is a mixture of various gases. However, the amount of carbon dioxide is higher in the exhaled air. Exhaled air has also some moisture in it. As we know children, air is a mixture of various gases. So the amount of oxygen we inhale is 21% and the amount of oxygen we exhale is 16.4%. While the amount of carbon dioxide we inhale is 0.04% and the carbon dioxide we exhale is 4.4%. Beside carbon dioxide, we also exhale some moisture. To show the presence of moisture in the exhaled air. For performing this activity, children, you require a mirror and you are blowing air on its surface. After some time, we will find droplets of water on its surface. And the reason for this is when the moisture present in your breath comes in contact with the cold surface of the mirror, it condenses to form drops of water. This proves the presence of moisture in the exhaled air. To show the presence of carbon dioxide in the exhaled air. For this activity, children, you require a test tube and you are filling it with lime water. You are required to insert the straw in it. Now you are blowing air or you are exhaling the air through the straw in the test tube. The lime water in the test tube turns milky, which shows that the exhaled air is rich in carbon dioxide. Do the plants also respire? And your answer is yes. Plants also respire like other organisms. They also take in oxygen from the air and give out carbon dioxide just as the human beings do. In the cells, oxygen is used to break down glucose, that is their food, into carbon dioxide and water. And it is represented as glucose in the presence of oxygen gives you carbon dioxide and water. Mechanism of respiration in plants. In plants, each part can independently take in oxygen from the air and give out carbon dioxide. Now here children, the plants do not have the special respiratory organs for respiration. Hence each part of the plant can independently take in oxygen from the air and give out carbon dioxide. Leaves of the plants have tiny pores called stomata for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Like all other living cells of plants, the root cells also need oxygen to generate energy. Now here children, like all other parts of the plants require the oxygen to generate energy, the root cells or the cells which are present in the roots also require the energy. Hence for that purpose they require oxygen. Roots take up air from the air spaces present between the soil particles and give out carbon dioxide. Now the roots from where they are going to take the air, so they are going to take the air from the spaces which are present in between the soil. From there they are taking the air and give out carbon dioxide. Children, this is the end of part 5 of this chapter. Hope to meet you soon for the 6th part of the chapter. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay indoor.